Them a go no.
Saguda. Hey, asikekeba. Ubotanyaka sewunjibida. Yokokore imba waba. Saguda sanka wunsibida. Hey, asikekeba. Kekekekeke asikekeba. Asikekeba. Kekekekeke asikekeba. Saguda sanka wunsibida. Hey, kona de, 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 kona de.
This one no be testimony. If I put your leg for the one corner there, it's a chale gele, miss money, millionaire. If I end for the one corner there, the one corner there, 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 corner there. Zamina, asemben krana yentivida, asaben krana mumubida, namumubida. Zamina, asaben krana yensevida, utuna krana utiachia, na utiachia.
Kona de, 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 kona de. Three, come on.
Goodness, guys, have you ever heard the phrase, if at first you don't succeed, dust yourself off and try again? Yes, your girl is back. I know that a lot of you know that I've been struggling when it comes to learning how to dance. Yes, I've been dancing with these guys before and I'm back again for part 2 to see if I can sharpen my skills. Today, your girl Miss Drew, the hostess with the mostest, I am joining DWP, the dance crew. They're gonna teach me how to dance. And of course, I'm gonna be speaking to some of their dance lords. Don't go anywhere, guys. This, of course, is another episode of Moments. It's about to be lit. Yo, guys, oh my goodness. Well, yes, your girl is in the studio today. I'm learning how to dance. Okay, I'm coming to. And I am in the presence of some dance kings. Okay, we got dance god Lloyd over here. And then we got the Afro Beast. You see? Now listen, the last time I was with dance god Lloyd, I came to learn how to dance, and he gave me a 4 out of 10. I'm very heartbroken, but I'm not gonna lie, my dancing still has not improved. You guys already know. But we're back again. I mean, we don't stop till we get it, right?
Yes.
Now, what these guys have been doing is absolutely amazing because they have leveled up, okay? They have moved from just dancing, they are now what you call artists. And of course, your girl needs to come and get the scoop. It's hot. If you didn't hear from Miss Drew, it's not true. Okay? So, I mean, guys, like, tell me, you've now got this new... You guys are now artists. What made you stop from just doing dancing to level up and now making your own music?
Okay, so when we started dancing, obviously we're dancing to artist songs, beats and all of that. But anytime we posted it on our socials, it gets copyright.
Oh, yes.
So it was so embarrassing. Like, you do all your best and then you're not making money out of it. So we decided to start making our own beats. Then fast forward, because dancers have good ears. We know when a song is a banger.
Hey.
So yeah, we got into the studio. Then the booth. We are talented.
In the booth, it's not just the movement.
Yeah.
It's the vocals as well. So tell me what inspired some of the lyrics that you guys are talking about in your song.
So let me bust your brain here. We are releasing a whole dance album.
Album?
Yes.
Hey, no, exclusive. When's the date?
Oh, the date will come.
It's coming.
The date is Aquento, and it actually speaks about our journey. We are going to talk about where we started from, where we are right now, and where we are trying to be. And then also, each and every song on the album has a meaning. And for Konade is actually a very great single that talks about how we started from a little corner in Ashaiman.
Oh my gosh, and look at you now.
Yeah.
Crazy. So wait, how long have you guys been dancing for?
All our lives.
Hey, all your life, like
Yeah,
from
but professionally,
Professionally,
we
like,
started before me.
So now it's like a professional thing. Like, how do you guys feel knowing that, you know, you're not a singer, you're not a banker, you're a dancer? Like, or do you want to cut off dance and you're an artist? How do you want to be known now to the public?
like you said, artists. So when it comes to dancing, you're gonna give it to. When it comes to making music, I mean, you're growing. So
Actually, entertainment.
eventually,
Entertainment.
we go give them.
Oh, did you
Everywhere.
hear
Go
that?
give them.
They go give them, and Drew's gonna be there
Hey,
too.
hey,
Exactly.
do the movement.
Every day
You know?
to tell you guys.
Do the movement. Nah, I'm excited for you guys. I mean, so album coming, more music dropping.
Yeah.
So in terms of like your dance moves, are you guys gonna be creating? Well, you already create your own
Yeah,
dance
Conor
moves.
there comes with a dance.
Okay, let's
Yeah.
do a quick. Nah, do you know what? Later on, guys, they have to teach me. They have to teach me before I come and embarrass you guys. Because by the end of this show, Drew's gonna be a pro on
Come
the
on.
corner
But it's
there.
actually not difficult.
Bars.
It's not.
It's not difficult.
Okay, Yanko.
Yeah, so first off, you're going to use your heel and toe. Yeah, so basically you're just doing 1, 2,
Two.
1, 2. So let it
Okay.
be smooth.
Okay,
1, 2.
smooth.
Yeah, come
Let
on.
it go.
And now you're just moving your
My hand.
yeah like that. So 1, 2. So the last thing you're gonna do is jump. So
Okay.
jump,
Okay.
Jump.
Oh God.
jump.
This way is
Yeah,
confusing.
jump. Let's go.
Okay.
Jump.
Okay.
There. Now you add the sauce. The sauce. Come on.
Hey, come on there. You guys,
Kana. You went deep down into the
listen.
color.
All right. So before we go, I mean, what is it that you want the public to know about you guys? I'm sure everybody has their own opinion about what they've got coming up. What is it that you want everyone to know about Dance God Lloyd, Afro Beast, what you guys have got coming up? Maybe they have their own perception, or maybe you want them to check out something. Your message to, because you got fans, and you have people that actually look up to you. You know, some people when they're growing up and they tell their parents they want to be a dancer, it's not really accepted. But now you guys went through, you pushed in, you didn't let anything stop you guys, and you're literally like role models.
So what would like people to know about us is that this is not just dance, or this is not just entertainment for us. This is more than just that, because at the end of the day, we've taken it upon ourselves to help people off the streets, train them, monetize them, and get better at what they do, so they can actually look out for their family as well. You understand? So we're all trying to make sure the world becomes a better place, because where we come from, it wasn't an easy journey at all. And then also, it's not something that I would like to watch another African brother or another brother of mine go through the same thing. So that's why we have DWP Academy. Yeah, so people see us and they're like, oh, now they're dressing fresh and all of that, but it's not.
The
just
hustle
like-
is real.
The hustle is actually
The
very
story
real.
is deep.
Do you understand? And whatever we do actually has what a direction. You understand? And so many lives depends on it. So this is more than just dance and entertainment for us. It's a whole life thing.
It's
for
a
us.
whole lifestyle. I like that. Trust
It's very
the
simple.
process.
It's very simple. Wherever you find yourself, just know that you can do it. Because where we come from, there was no opportunity. We come from a shaman, you know. There's no opportunity. You always have to come to town and make it happen. We are here making it happen. So watch the process. Watch it.
Watch
Watch
the
it.
process.
Come on.
Don't go
Come
nowhere,
on.
guys. You guys are about to learn how to dance. So okay. We're going to do it. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. Eesh, this is a workout. Okay. Now, what's next? Okay. One, two, 1, 2. 6, 7. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. All right. 1, 2. Okay, for testimony, for puts. Okay. 1, 2. Hit, 1, 2, 3. Hit, 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 hit. Okay. Oh, first up. I mean, now you guys know, and I'm not like I have any favorites or anything, but when I see ladies doing the same thing that guys can do, sometimes I just feel like we could do it better. And now we've got these two cute girls, like, they also be dancing, like, hey, I saw them doing their, yo, it was crazy, but of course I need to get into talk to them. So tell me, how long have you guys been dancing? Or with DWP?
Okay, with DWP for like 3 years.
3 years? What about you? 3 years. How did you even hear about them?
They make a lot of noise on social media.
Hey, so you saw them making noise and you thought, nah, I need to be part of the squad. Eesh, oh my goodness. Okay, so how did you, like, do you have to do an audition? How did you guys apply?
My time, there was no audition, so I just came for a dance class and I registered and I became part of the academy.
Just like that. What about you? So you just came in, so right now, if somebody wants to be part of it, do they have to audition?
Yeah.
Hey, ready, Uncle Paul? So like, what do they have to show? What kind of skills? Like, well, how do you show that you are good enough to be part of the crew?
Just blow their mind.
So,
Like,
so you have to create your own dance moves?
they
Oh.
play a song, so you freestyle to the song and then make sure your timing is on point, your moves are accurate, energy.
Hey, people pressure. Okay.
You can just wow them and like you're part of the crew.
Nice. Attitude. So then, would you say that being with DWP has like boosted your confidence? Oh, for real? So you guys dance in like crowds and events, and then you'll be the ones in the middle. Oh wow, okay, cool. So being ladies or girls in the crews, would you say there's a lot of guys or is it mixed, or you guys have to work extra hard? What do you feel? To be seen.
You just do it, like, just do us.
Just do you. I like that though. That's cute. Nice. So, DWP dance crew, ladies in the building. I mean, what would you like to say to other girls who are probably just sitting saying, oh my gosh, like, no, there's too much sweat?
Girls can do anything boys can do. There's no difference between you being a girl and dancing and you being a boy and dancing. The fact that they are boys and then they can do with more energy, they have the style, they have the swag, you can do the same thing too.
Would you say it's hard work being part of like the crew? I mean, do you guys have like strict rules? Is it every Saturday you train 5 to 6 or what is it like?
It's an academy, there are rules you have to follow. So yes, hard work on yourself. You have to put in more hard work on yourself. I mostly dance with boys. Yeah, I'm tired with hairs, because when I come, it's like they're doing stuff. I'm like, I have to do this.
Yeah.
So hard work and confidence.
Do you ever sometimes feel like, you know, oh, this is too much, I'm throwing in the towel, I want to give up? Do you ever feel like that sometimes?
Yeah, but
What keeps you motivated to not stop?
from where I started from to now, if I give up, hey.
Hey, no way. I mean, what have you learned so far, like being part of the crew? What makes you so proud to be part of DWP?
Family.
Family.
So much love, how to love somebody, how to accept somebody into your life. Yeah, because we all come from different homes, and it's like when it comes, like you're one. So it's like when you go out there and then you meet people from different places, it's like okay, we are one.
Oh, nice.
Family.
So if you were to give like one message to other people as to why they should join DWP, what would you say?
It's just the best place.
You get to find your purpose. Yeah, you get to find
Here to find your purpose, and you?
The best place to be, actually.
The best place to be. You heard it from the ladies themselves, and they don't lie. The best place to be, and here's where you find your purpose. Right now, I found mine. I found it. So I'm here with this guy called Chris. Like, don't just look at him. Don't he look so fly? Like, he like a real cool kid. Now, Chris actually is a very, very special individual. Okay. Do you know what? Even tell us your story. Tell us your story with DWP.
Alright, so my name is Chris, but everybody knows me as Mr. Showtime. I'm a dancer, choreographer, creative director. And with DWP, with the boys Danko Lloyd and Afrobeats, we've been dancing together for a couple of years.
What's a couple, like 5, 20, 6?
I can say I met them probably 6, 7 years ago.
Nice.
And our paths always crossed each other. And when the idea of DWP came up, I was also traveling to the States because I finished schooling here.
Okay, so you went to school in Ghana.
I went to school in
And then so when you were schooling, you were dancing with them?
Yeah, I was dancing at the same time.
Nice. And
I
then
was
you
doing
went.
accounting.
Hey,
in school.
how were you able to manage accounting and dancing?
Like,
wasn't it
crazy.
stressful?
I mean, I feel like if you have a passion for something, you will make time for other important stuff.
100%, 100%.
I tried my best to work both.
Which one do you prefer the most?
Dance,
Accounting or dancing?
Dance, of course.
Hey, he wasn't even hesitating. Wow, okay.
Yes, of course.
So now you're in the States, you're based in the States?
Yeah, I'm based in the States.
Whoa, so you left Ghana, based in the States, so how are you still dancing out there?
Yeah, so I'm the co-founder of DWP USA.
Sorry guys, he needs to say that again. He needs to get his accolades. You the what?
I'm the co-founder of DWP USA.
USA, that means guys, DWP is worldwide. International, can you see? I mean, these brothers always say, they said they started from the bottom in a shaman and now look, worldwide. Okay, so like, what does that mean? Do you teach them your own dances over there or literally?
Yeah, so because I learned dancing here and I danced here my whole life, my style is still Azonto, but then I also have like a touch of dancehall.
Okay.
So it's like a mixture of
Can you
both.
see from the look? Yeah.
It's a mixture of both, so I teach them our culture and I mix it with their culture.
Okay, nah. Show me a little bit of dancehall vibe. I know Azonto.
Right.
Show me a little bit of dancehall.
So,
what's a dancehall vibe?
I can teach you a step. It's called Pyrotech. It's called Pyro Pre.
Pyro Pre.
Pyro Pre by Pyro.
The lingo there.
So you go 1, 2, and then you wipe the face.
Hey,
right?
okay.
So
1, 2, 1.
Wipe the face.
Hey, 1, 2,
wipe the face. 1, 2.
Nice. Okay, cool. So I mean, where do you want to see DWP in the next few years? Like, what's your plan?
In the next few years, I see DWP being all over the world, Africa, Europe, Asia, everywhere. And I feel like because of the passion and the goals that we set for ourselves, we'll be able to reach the youth and help a lot of kids.
I love that. It's all about positivity, man. Positivity breeds happiness, and these guys are out here not just dancing. Even though to you it might look like something small, having fun, they're still out there impacting lives. And that is why I rate you guys so much, man. I mean, your girl is, I'm finding some new details over here, man. I'm ready to learn some new dance moves.
Them a go no.
Saguda. Hey, Asikekeba. Ubo Sanyaka, Sawubida. Yoko in the Waba. Sagudan Sanka Wunsibida. Hey, Asikekeba. 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 Sagudan Sanka Wunsibida. Hey, Konade, 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 Konade,
This one of the testimony. You for put your leg for the one corner there. It's a chale girl. This one there. Melanie, you for head for the one corner there. The one corner there. 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 Zamina. Asaben kurana yintibida. Asaben kurana mumubida. Na mumubida.